Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI, and I have to show you one of the best looking sinks from Couoko. This sink has made me excited about doing dishes, and it's just the thing we needed to give our kitchen that modern, clean look. I love the workstation design, and the fact that it came with all the accessories was a big plus. Instead of having to go back and forth in my kitchen, I can do dishes, food prep, and more all in the same spot. Talk about efficient. The sink is a great size and everything fits nicely on the built-in ledge and glides smoothly from left to right. When installing, we had to attach a disposal and it fit perfectly to the pre-cut hole, so if you're also installing a disposal, this sink will work great. This means we weren't able to use the drain assembly it came with, but we can still use the strainer and the cover, which both work wonderfully with the disposal. Usually with things that come in a set, in my experience, sometimes the quality is hit or miss, but this thing did not disappoint. Everything is well made, no dents or warping, nothing. So I'm confident that this will stand the test of time. If you're upgrading your kitchen, I highly recommend this sink. You will not be disappointed, and that's my point of view.